Hi class, this video is to discuss the schedule for next week. Tuesday the 8th is the beginning of the week. Monday is Labor Day and we do not have school on Labor Day. Yay, go do something fun. We will start school on Tuesday. And if we look at this schedule, with Tuesday, we'll start at 8:30 with our good morning circle. Then we'll have snack time. And starting next week, I would like snack time to be on Google Meets if you can. So we'll just stay logged in from Good Morning Circle through snack time. 9:30 begins Unique Story Time. And if you log into Unique, everybody should have books loaded up for them already. At 10 a.m. would be goal work. Those are those physical materials. Those materials I'm going to be sending home weekly. And it'll be a drop off and a pickup. So if you could drop off your materials from the previous week and then pick up your materials for the next week, that would be awesome. In there you'll find lessons on topics like the ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, shapes, social, emotional, coping skills, or their goal work. It could be any one of those things. 10:30 is outdoor movement. So get outside and have some fun. And then 11 o'clock, goal work. And those again are the physical materials that you will be picking up and dropping off. Then at 11:30, I have lunch, which I would also like to start next week, having lunch be on Google Meets if you're available. And we'll stay logged in for our good afternoon circle starting at 12:15. At 12:45, you can go ahead and watch some YouTube from Mr. A's YouTube channel, different mini lessons, and I'll be posting the lessons from this week on Friday. I'll be posting the lessons for next week on Friday this week. Then we have Unique Math, and so if you log into Unique, you'll see lessons pop up. Go ahead and choose one of the math lessons. Best place to start is probably number sense. Just counting and then possibly adding just one more. After that, we have sensory activity. This can be sensory materials that I send home, like the kinetic sand, the letters in a sandbox or a rice box, Play-Doh or putty. It can be a sensory activity that you pick that you know your student likes. And so if you have Play-Doh at home, or if you have a water table or a sensory table, those are all good sensory activities for your child. At 2 o'clock, we have Mr. A's YouTube videos, story time. So you can go on there and choose a story for your student to listen to, or a few stories to take up that time. And then from 2:30 to 3:30 every day, I have open office hours. That time is set aside for meetings, appointments, trainings, or assessments with students. Some of your students may need assessments during this distance learning piece, which I know might be tough. What we're gonna do is have them come in for assessments, and I will be contacting you individually if that is the case for your student. All right. That is the schedule for next week. Topics include colors, alphabet, numbers, shapes, as well as social, emotional, and coping skills. Hope to see you next week. Bye, you guys.